Me again. I'm just in the shed again, the garden shed, and I've got to give it a once over because it's starting to get junk everywhere. I'm running out of space. I want to take the front and rear screen out, but I've got to find somewhere to put them. There is quite a bit of space on the other side of the car. Well, quite a bit. There's a little bit, but I can't actually get to that because I keep buying body panels. It's just when they turn up, I can't help it. I need to building up a stock. You never know when you'll need them. Always better to have them because when you need them, you'll never be able to get them. Yeah, there's a lot of this wood can go away. That can get, a lot of stuff can go to the dump. So I'm finished with it now. I started taking the. I don't know what this is. But that was holding the screen in, but it just snaps. It's so old and brittle that it's not pliable anymore. So I have to see about getting a replacement one of those. Once that's out, you can just. Yeah, it's a bit cold, but if I loosen the screen, push it away a bit, so it's been on there a long time, and it should come out. Same with the back. I've got to take these off, and I'm pretty sure that's probably just going to snap as well as it comes out. So I'll be looking at getting another one of those, unless I put plastic windows in. But I'm not, especially at the front, I like wind-up windows, which is a benefit of this car, because electric windows have got a lot of weight in them. Wind ones are great, because at least when you're between stages, you can undo them all the way. They get hot in the cars, so it's nice to be able to get some air in. Right, I have my tripod. I found it. Lost the end bit though, so I'll have to adapt something to fit on that. There's just rubbish everywhere I look. Right, I'll give it a tidy up. Right, I've taken the beading out. I can flex the rubber around. I've sprayed some penetration spray inside it. I think it's easier with two people. You can push the seal up and actually see the edge of the glass. So it'd be nice if it was a bit warmer in here and that could be a bit more flexible rubber. But it seems to be going more the other side. I don't really want to break it. Well, that's almost out, that. I did bring some glass carrying suction fins. That was easier than I thought it would be. That's the front and rear screen out. It was a lot easier than I thought, but you just worry you're going to break them. I've looked for that plastic trim that broke that holds the rubber, the glass into the rubber, and it's really expensive. It's going to be about £300 to get the front and rear. So I'm looking into bonding the screens on. The M3 did it, and the white Radical I've got has got a bonded front screen on. So I've just got to hold the glass up to the screen and see if it's big enough to get enough cover for the bonding to hold the glass and the steel together. Next job is going to be the dash, get the dash out, because then I can get the front legs of the roll cage mocked up, and also I've got holes under the pedals, so if I get the dash out, I'm going to end up taking the engine out. It's just going to be a bare shell, I can see it. It's the last thing I wanted to do, but it's evolving. I've got plenty of time, I'm not in a rush, and I'm quite enjoying doing it, so I might as well carry on and get it done. I don't want to give up, so the sunroof doesn't look as bad as I thought it would be. I've got a new gun for the handle for the welder, so I'm just waiting to get some more welding steel, because apparently if you leave it in the shed it'll go rusty and it ruins the liner where it feeds out of the gun. So I bought a new gun with a new liner, and yeah, I'm gonna put some new wire in it and then give that a go at welding the patches in. So till next time.